Nice drive, Almarillo. Too strong. Iba na nagpapawals. In and out. Iba na nagpapawals. Nice drive.
Okay. Or may change ah.
Almarillo, 40 to shoot.
Angat konti, angat, angat!
Miray. Nice pick.
Angat, angat!
10 to shoot. Yes. Our score now 8-0. Papa Bulls favor.
Ten to shoot.
10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On!
Angat tayo konti, angat, angat! Angat, angat! Sundan yung bola! Kalat, kalat!
Sino yan?
Duque. Nice pass, nice drive, foul. Small rep. Foul on number 5 on Cool Warriors. 25 on Cool Warriors. First team foul on Cool Warriors. First foul on number 25.
Wala sa tres, ha? Guys!
7 minutes, 20 seconds.
Sino mong number na pakalag?
Sampulan muna tayo, sampul!
On small rep. Foul on number 22.
Samoy.
Samuel.
First thing.
10 to shoot. Uy, yan.
Yes, basket down on Cool Warriors.
Warriors.
5 to 9 now, 5 to 9.
Cool Warriors. Cool Warriors. Look at that.
Turnover. Rebounding Luzon. Too strong. Almarillo. Oh, basket count and 1 on number 22 on Samoy.
Number 42.
Foul on number 24 on Cool Warriors. 42 on Cool Warriors. Second team foul on Cool Warriors. Too strong.
Biray! Bilis ni Biray, ah!
Here again. To Duque. Oh, in and out. Duque again. Duque. Intercepted by. Nice pass. Timeout. Oh. 10 to shoot.
Hey!
Number 7.
Basket down to Luzon. Now, score 11-7. 4-point lead on Papa Bulls.
Harap, harap! Tras, tras!
Duque.
Nice!
Rebound by Almarillo.
Okay. Okay lang. Set lang, set! Asan mo lang, pre?
Foul. Small rep.
Hold on. Number 12.
Foul on number 30.
Alonso.
Alonso. First on Alonso. Second team foul on Papa Bulls.
Talaga. Sa ibang player. Sa ibang player natin. Wawalo na lang.
Di nyo rin umaasahan dyan. Nabumata ko.
Yes. Score 11-8. 3-point lead on Papa Bulls. Oh, what a shot. Coming from Arroyo. 13-8, 4 minutes 30 seconds. Lungsod, drive, lungsod.
Kinuha naman kanina. Di ko na.
Proelo. Proelo.
Duki again, drive, side step. Short.
Kanjet, kanjet! Tonyo, iwan ka Tonyo! Hindi ka mapagod.
Yes, on Arroyo. 4 minutes.
Iwan kaya pre, iwan pre.
Traveling violation, traveling violation.
Pre, spot mo sana yung pre.
Nice pass. Lungsod. 3 minutes 20 seconds. 15-10 our score. 5-point lead on Papa Bulls.
Aras, aras, aras!
In and out. Lungsod rebound.
Baba!
3 minutes. Yes, on Duque.
Silang, silang.
10-17.
Baba mo, Idol, baba mo.
2 minutes 40 seconds. In and out.
Dali lang, dali lang. Dali.
Yes, on number 25. Huh?
Proelo.
13 to 17. 4-point lead now on Papa Bulls. Short.
Tangad, tangad.
10 to shoot.
Giray.
Tatlo.
1 minute 53 seconds. Lungsod, fake, drive. Ow, yan na, Ivan Melonso.
Push, push.
Giray. 14 to shoot.
10.
10.
Guard. Oh!
1 minute 20 seconds. One minute. Oh, basket count on Amarillo. 50 seconds, 17 to 15.
Hoy!
Yes, on Amoy. 19 to 15, back to 4-point lead. Papa Bulls. 40 seconds.
Dati nagpapatawag.
Naman ito?
10 to shoot. Good. Foul.
Foul number 12.
Foul on number 12. Alonso.
Arroyo.
Pito, Alonso. Arroyo.
Person Arroyo. 13 pa.
13 foul against Papa Balls.
Wala na sa court.
21 seconds. Arroyo. 15. 10 seconds.
Walang foul!
5. Steal.
1 second!
Shoot!
And our first quarter score.
Dalawa.
Warriors ball, call Warriors.
Pasok!
Dito, isa pa.
Sorry!
Mamaya tali. Mamaya tali.
Tao?
Mamaya tali. Sige, naman yan. Pagpasok mo, papatingin naman tayo.
Warning on Papa Balls for delaying the game.
Ah, 19-7. Bert, tumitira bigata si Matt.
Isia. Iba na on Papa Balls. Chidorena. Jacks back to Chidorena.
Alaksa, kaya.
Short. See you now. Next play. Pasag. Right. Back to Isia. Yes. Our score. 19 all our score. First leg of the game. Papa Balls against School Warriors. Nakwa. Back to Jacks. Open jump. Short. Nice move. Again, too strong. Nakwa. To the Chilena. Take the shoot. Too strong jump. Fake. Again, rebound on School Warriors. Nakwa.
Number 2, hindi ko kita kasi.
Pasag.
Hindi mo kita ang pangalan. Shooting na tanang kilo. Number 2.
Foul.
Foul.
Foul on number 1.
Sino number 1? Number 1.
On School Warriors. 8 minutes, 25 seconds. Nice shot by Japs.
Papa Boys job.
21 to 19.
Bert, dito ka na, yan ah.
2-point lead on Papa Balls. Nice pass. Fake. Back to Isia. Isia drive. Nice move. 10 to shoot. Papa Balls ball. Papa Balls.
Boss tayo dalawa.
Saan pagkain mo?
Nakwa.
Okay.
10 to shoot. That's it, Serena.
Kaya mo yan!
Yes, all number 3, 21 all. Full Warriors against Papa Balls. That's it, Serena. 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Nakwa. Pass to Jobs. Fake, Jobs. Alam mo ba yung Jobs? Isia again. Isia. Intercepted steal by Caturena.
Uy! Ate!
Nice defense on the Cool Warriors. Turnover on Papa Bulls. 21 all.
Tayo ba tayo ng first quarter?
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Good! Pasag! 24-21. Now 3-point lead on Cool Warriors. Guillermo. Cachichorena. Pump. Too strong. As to Pasag. Pasag all the way. Too strong. Di ba ba Cachichorena? Guillermo. Timeout on Pavos. Our score 24 against 21. 3 points lead on Cool Warriors.
Number 18. Sino number 18?
Guillermo. Pass to Cachichorena. Time to shoot. Japs. Japs down. Stay. Ibabay na point. Sila ginagawa. Lucia. Too strong. Guillermo now. Yes, on Guillermo. 23 against 24. 1 point lead on to the Warriors. The ball.
Push!
Swela yung number 31.
Pasag.
31 Swela.
Pasag. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Good! Pasag. 27-23. Back to 4-point lead on the Cool Warriors.
Sipag! Galaw! Ayan, tama yan, tama!
Cachichorena.
Tama!
Guillermo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Guillermo! 27-26. Back to 1-point lead on to the Warriors. 5 minutes. Isia. To Pasag. Pasag. In and out. Rebound on to the Warriors. Suela.
Wala! Talon!
Bigyan mo ako sir, mas short video.
Wala!
Same ball, same ball. 14 to shoot. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Bali Nakwa. To Suela. Back to Nakwa. Cachichorena. 10 to shoot. Strong. Suela. Black.
Hey!
Oy! Oy! Parang dito ba?
Natin! Atin! Two shot, atin. Wala nang baba balls. Technical nakuha for excessive swing of elbow. 1 shot.
Technical foul on Nakwa for excessive elbow.
Parang baliktad yata yung personal foul sa kanila. Excessive, hindi tumama. Pero kung tumama, personal foul sa kanila. Pero siya yung unang nagkakaroon.
Pero nang
Hindi ka sir, technical na yung nakuha. 1 shot.
1 shot on Papa Balls. Technical foul against Nakwa.
Wala.
28 to 26. Only 2-point lead by Cool Warriors. 4 minutes.
Wala nang baba balls.
Papa Balls ball. Papa Balls. Japs.
Uli!
Intercepted. Pasag.
galingan mo! Shot!
Strong. Yeah! 40 to 26. 4-point lead now. Cool Warriors.
Ayun!
Suela.
Bantay!
Nice move by Suela.
Okay, sa atin!
Oh. Foul on number 16 on Nakwa. Second team, second personal foul on Nakwa. Pass out. Isia.
Picture din sir, picture din.
Short. 3 minutes 20 seconds. 3 minutes 20 seconds. 26 against 30. 4-point lead against School Warriors. Kajurena. To Japs. Back to Kajurena. Guillermo. To Nakwa. 10 to shoot. Wow! Nakwa! 28 to 30. 2-point lead back to School Warriors. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Isia. Guarded by Guillermo. Isia. Pass out. Bang! On pass out! 33 to 28. Back to 5-point lead on School Warriors. Japs. Back to Kajurena. To Guillermo. Back to Kajurena. 10 to shoot. Third shot.
Lapit sa bola!
Suela. Foul. Foul on number 1 on School Warriors. Manlangit.
Second
Second on
on Manlangit.
Manlangit. Second team foul, School Warriors. Nice shot by Suela. Two minutes 11 seconds.
Wala!
In and out.
Diretso mo na yan!
Sia.
Labas! Alalayan niyo yung labas!
Shot!
Kachurena, 1 minute 50.
Kaya mo yan!
Suela drive, Suela, strong move, foul. Foul on number 18. 13 foul on School Warriors. Bonus draw on Suela. 1 minute 45 seconds. Basket timeout, Terrell. Basket timeout. Warning on what playing the game. Short.
Ay, ano ba yan? Ano ginagawa niyo doon?
Wow! Suela, timeout! On School Warriors score 33 to 31. 2-point lead on School Warriors. 1 minute 39 seconds.
School Warriors!
Yung kita. Sige.
1 minute 31 seconds. Yes, on Guillermo, 33 all.
1-2. Nice one.
Isia, 10 to shoot.
Nice din.
Loading ko! Sapa!
14 to shoot. 53 seconds, 53.
Anong oras? Hey! Tapat!
33 all, 33 all.
Tapat!
Foul.
Bakit sila?
Blocking foul. Warning for penalty. School Warriors.
Sino yung black?
Nice shot on Suela. Now 1-point lead on Parables. 34 to 33, 42 seconds.
Guys!
Nice, Akon. Bilis mo pala.
34 seconds, 34 seconds, 19 to shoot. 19 to shoot. Guillermo. Nakwa. Nakwa. 36 to 33, 3-point lead now, Papa Bulls. 15 seconds. Nandiyo na. 5 seconds. And the second quarter score 38 against 33. Our score 38 against 33. 5-point lead on Papa Bulls. Now behind the ball game, back and Duke. In and out. Rebound on Cool Warriors. Mirai, stop, pump. Rebound by Duque.
Ay, wala na. Wag ko nang
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10. 9 minutes, 30 seconds. Nine to shoot. Steal by Duque. It's 3-1. Duque drive. Nice pass. Nakwa! Short. Nakwa again. Wow! Nakwa! 40 to 33. 8 minutes, 50 seconds. 7-point lead now on Papa Bulls. In out, Capriles to Duque. Duque now, nice move. Zigzag. Oh, still by Capriles. It's 4-3, 3-2. Capriles, lungsod. Traveling violation on number 5. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. Steelers score. 7-point lead on Papa Bulls. 40 against 33. Guray now. Steal. 8 minutes, 14 to shoot. Guray. Salva. Short. Capriles again. Capriles, Captain by Duque. Lungsod. Bang! Lungsod. 35, 36 to 40. Back to 4-point lead on the Papa Bulls. Duque. Guray. In and out. Rebound back to Warriors. Nice move. Nice fake. Lungsod. In and out. Rebound on Guray to Nakwa. Smooth. Steal by Lungsod. Lungsod to Capriles. Capriles all the way. Nice defense on Alba. Cool Warriors ball. Cool Warriors. 14 to shoot. 6 minutes, 59 seconds. 4-point lead on the Papa Bulls. Short. Steal again. Rebound on Alba.
Bola.
Giray.
Bola. Akit na. Akit na.
Paso na ko. Strong move. Bang! Wala mo, strong move by Nakuha. Ball on number 5.
Ang team ko.
First team foul, Cool Warriors. First on number 5. Nakuha again. Giray. 14 to shoot. 10. 6 minutes, 6 minutes. Gabrieles, shot. Di ba ba Alba?
Alba, takbo ba?
Ngayon ang bula ba?
34?
Giray.
Santos yung dito eh.
Dito po.
Santos yan.
Shot!
Lungsod! 38-42. Back to 4-point lead on Papa Balls. 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Duque, Gray. Guard by Alba. Alba drive. Alba move. Too strong. Rebound. Rebound by Santos. Wow! Santos! 40-42. 44-38. 44 against 38. Nice pick. 40 to shoot. 40 to shoot. Alba. Giray. Oh, turnover. Substitution rep, sub rep. Substitution, sub.
Sir, kaya na kanya. Bilisan niyo konti ah.
Ikaw, bawi naman!
Now, Gabrieles. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Lungsod. 10 to shoot. Steal by Alonso. Guillermo. Yeah, easy shot coming from Guillermo. 46 to 38. Back to 8-point lead against Papa Balls. Lungsod.
Alba, atas na, Alba. Alba.
Lungsod, 14 to shoot. Steal again by Alba. Alba to Arroyo. Arroyo drive. Arroyo pick. Yes, on Arroyo. Timeout. On to the Warriors. Score 48 to 38. Salazar. Foul. Foul on number 25. Alba. Person Alba, person Papa Balls.
Nag-mega.
Dala, kuya!
3 minutes, 20 seconds. 48 against 38. Nice shot by Salazar. 48 to 39. 9-point lead on the Papa Balls. Santos. Stop pump. Basket count. Ring entering by Lungsod. 51 to 39. Ring interference against Lungsod. Basket count on the Papa Balls.
Alba, dito ka. Ano gitna? Ano gitna ka?
11-point lead now by Papa Balls. 50 against 39. Abreles, so 10 to shoot.
Shot!
In out, rebound by Alonso. Guillermo. Guillermo escape. Wow! Guillermo! 52 to 39. Papa Balls. Papa Balls ball, Papa Balls. 2 minutes. Nice move. Berungsod. Layu mo! Buwan naman by Lungsod! 41 to 52. Back to 11-point lead on Papa Balls. 1 minute 40 seconds. Guillermo. Paso Alba. Bang, bang, bang! On Alba. 55 to 41. Back to 14-point lead on the Papa Balls.
Kaso lang Tonyo.
Foul.
Tonyo, parisipin mo lang.
Foul on Alonso. Second team foul on Papa Balls. Substitution direct sub.
Second namin.
Second on Alonso. 1 minute 23 seconds. Second team foul on the Papa Balls. Inbound, Subido.
Tangat!
Subido. Juan Salazar.
Shot!
Nice one!
Ayan.
Angat!
Foul. Foul on number 30. Alonso. Third on Alonso, 13 foul on the Papa Balls.
Nice jump!
Salazar. 52 to 55, 1 minute. 13-point lead on the Papa Balls. Guillermo.
Ako na lang.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Guillermo. 15 to 8 to 42, 40 seconds.
Nil, sa'yo na yung gilid. Huwag na pasunod yung harapan.
Oh, gayahin mo.
Nice, Tonyo!
34 seconds, 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot.
O yan, hati kayo dyan ha. Baba!
10 to shoot.
Shot!
Oh. Guillermo again. Drive. Coast to coast. Guillermo. Nice defense. 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Alba. To Guillermo. Arroyo. Fake. Drive. 15. Santos. 5 seconds.
Uy, galing! Shoot!
Hoy!
Basket!
Basket count. 44 to 58. 44 to 58.
Basket dyan.
58 to 44. 14-point lead on the Papa Balls. Fourth quarter.
Sige, tira mo! Jump!
Sia, 8. Side step. Again, too strong. Papa Balls. Inbounding Suela. Back to Suela. Oh, got you to Lorena! What a pass coming from Suela.
Advantage, nakatao sila. Habang nakatao, ako yan.
Ay, wag mong bibigyan sa harapan lang bro.
Wow! Back back-to-back turnover on Cool Warriors.
Pre, habang nakatao sila.
16-point lead on Papa Balls. 60-44.
Ay, pagka walang break.
Sige, sige, sama sila. Mag-kiss. Technician ka.
Walang switch, walang
Duque.
switch.
Alba, 10 to shoot. Traveling violation on Alba. Traveling violation. 8 minutes, 45 seconds.
Walang switch, pagka nag-switch sila, walang switch.
Wala, nakatao sila. Sa'yo, Dito,
Bang! Easy 46 to 60. Back to 16-point lead on Papa Balls. Nako. To Arroyo. Steal and out.
Push!
Isia, tuan pe kesuduran ah.
Yan, nasa dulo, nasa dulo!
Isia.
balik mo.
14 to shoot. Suela again. Suela. Nako. Back to Suela.
Kaya sa ina. Atake.
Wow! Suela!
Chayo, nakatao sila.
62 to 46. 16-point lead on the Papa Balls. 7 minutes 40 seconds.
Uy,
Isia. Oh, in and out. Ibang may Alba. Tugat si Jorena. Duque.
sige, sa ina.
14 to shoot. Oh, Duque escape. Wow, Duque. 64 to 46, 18-point lead now on the Papa Balls.
Titira, pre. Titira.
7 minutes.
Ikan nyo.
Valenzuela. Duque.
Duque, atake.
14 to shoot.
Kaliwa mo. Sige, kaliwa.
10 to shoot. Nice move. Siya, pick, fake. Black by Duque.
Nice one!
Yeah! 48 to 64. Suela. Strong. Suela again. 40 to shoot. Alba. In and out. Sub, rep, sub, rep, sub.
Backcourt lang kayo.
6 minutes, 6 minutes.
Dikit pa, dikit!
Foul.
Follow.
Foul on lungsod. First team foul on Cool Warriors. First on lungsod. Shot by Alonso. Ball by Alonso. 6 minutes. Back to back by Alonso. 66 against the 48. Back to 18-point lead on the Papa Balls.
Sige, tira mo.
Lungsod.
Nice, Jake!
Now, Isia. 14 to shoot.
Nice one!
Short.
Air ball. Suela. Suela now to Guillermo. Guillermo to Duque. Duque stop. Duque hook shot. Yes! Time out! On the Papa Balls. Score now. 68 to 48. 20-point lead on the Papa Balls.
Kaysa pumula. Nice!
In and out. Ibang Alonso. Oh, intercept. Guillermo. 5 minutes.
Ikot tayo, ikot, ikot! Bilis mo kagad na.
Suela. 14 to shoot. Santos 10 to shoot.
Papap yan, papap yan!
Short.
Okay.
Same ball. 18 to shoot. 4 minutes, 35 seconds. 20-point lead on the Papa Bulls.
Dugay, saka na, dugay.
Foul. Foul on number 13, Alonso. First team foul, Papa Bulls. Alonso, fourth foul on Alonso. Warning on Alonso.
Tira! Tira!
Yeah, and selfish pass from the Cool Warriors, 58 to 68. 4 minutes.
Tikit, tikit, tikit!
In and out. Di ba malusod?
What?
Duque. Foul. Foul on zero. Substitution. Substitution. Foul on Nisia. Duque out. Duque. Suela out.
Person is in the second.
First on Nisia. Sabrep. Nakuhain. 68 to 50. 3 minutes 41 seconds. Arroyo. Nice defense on Cool Warriors.
Mag-relax!
Nice and green.
Rebound ng Santos. Duque. Guillermo. Fourteen to shoot. 10.
Patay ng oras yan. Crush nyo. Dalawa.
Time out on the Papa Bulls.
Wala na silang tayo.
Papa Bulls have no timeout. Papa Bulls no timeout left. One timeout for the Cool Warriors. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes 59 seconds. Back to the ball game. Two minutes 59 seconds. Duque. Fourteen to shoot. 10.
Down na, bawi na. Tira, tira! Tira! Nice!
Yeah, 52 to 68. 2 minutes 10 seconds.
Kita ko ba?
14 to shoot. Gray.
Kita!
10. Santos.
Yan!
Arroyo. Gray. 1 minute 54 seconds. Yes, on pasok. 1 minute 40 seconds. Gray. 14 to shoot. Nakuha. 10 to shoot. 70 to 54, 1 minute 20 seconds. Yes. 6:56 to 70. 1 minute 15.
Grabe ah. Grabe.
14 to shoot.
Ay, sumunod eh.
10. 58 seconds.
Shoot mo yan!
58 to 70. 45 seconds. 12 point lead on Papa Balls. Arroyo. Santos, 14 to shoot. 10. 5.
Labas!
Yes, on Santos. 20 seconds. 52. 58 to 72. Pass out. Short. 15 seconds. 10.